Ranch. Wait. My finger, I think it just fell.
What's your guess?
Sour cream again?
No.
It was a ranch? Oh, I'm okay. Oh, I haven't tried this one before. Pizza.
Yep.
Next one.